Good morning everyone. I am Sushil Kumar. First of all, I thankful our mentor, Mr. Deepak sir, who gave me a chance for a activity just a minute. I pick my topic. Education. Education is most important of our life because one person who has not educated, he did not work very hard because education who's made man perfect all the works as our family works, our nation work, our society's work. That's it.